Mastering Video Call Etiquette, the Art of Introductions. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to focus on an important aspect of video call etiquette, introducing yourself and your role. This skill is essential for both personal and professional video calls and can greatly influence the impression you leave on others. So, let's get started. Introductions serve as the opening act of your conversation, setting the tone for the rest of the video call. A good introduction can create a positive first impression, establish clarity about who you are and what your role is, and foster a sense of comfort and familiarity among the participants. At the core of any introduction are two fundamental elements. 1. Your name. Always start with your name. Even if you know the other people on the call, remember that video calls can sometimes include participants who are not immediately visible. Example: Hello, I'm John. 2. Your role. After stating your name, explain your role. This gives people context about why you're on the call. Example: I'm a project manager at XYZ company. Together: Hello, I'm John, a project manager at XYZ company. While the basic structure is sufficient for many situations, you may want to include more information depending on the context. Here are a few additional elements you can consider. 1. Your location. Especially in international calls, sharing your location can be a great icebreaker. Example: I'm joining from Boston. 2. A brief personal detail. A fun fact or a brief personal detail can add a human touch to your introduction. Example: I'm a coffee enthusiast, and I've been with XYZ for 3 years. Full example: Hello, I'm John, a project manager at XYZ company. I'm joining from Boston, and just so you know, I'm a huge coffee enthusiast. Remember, every video call is unique, and your introduction should be tailored to fit the context. If you're in a formal business meeting, keep your introduction concise and professional. If the call is more casual or social, feel free to add personal details to foster connection. And that's a wrap on today's topic, introducing yourself and your role on a video call. Remember, your introduction is the first impression you make in a video call, so take a moment to craft it well. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy communicating!